Picture this. An unbelievable 9 out of 10 cryptocurrency transactions in the year 2023 were associated with fraudulent schemes. That's right, a staggering 90%. A shocking statistic that paints a bleak picture of the crypto world, where the rise of digital currency is marred by a parallel surge in crypto scams. In the heart of this storm is the story of Shreya Datta, a tech professional hailing from Philadelphia. Shreya's tale is one of trust, deception, and a devastating loss that shook her world. Shreya found herself entangled in a web of deceit cleverly spun by a man named Ansel. They met on Hinge, a popular dating app where Ansel presented himself as a French wine trader. A charming personality, he was quick to move their budding relationship to WhatsApp, where they exchanged selfies and messages. As the bond deepened, Ansel introduced Shreya to a novel opportunity, a crypto trading app. He painted a picture of immense profit, a chance to double her investment. Shreya, taken in by his seemingly genuine interest and apparent expertise, decided to take the plunge. She drained her savings, took out loans, and even liquidated her retirement fund, investing nearly $450,000. Her trust in Ansel was steadfast, bolstered by the belief that her investment had more than doubled. However, the veil of deceit began to lift when she attempted to withdraw her funds. Rather than the smooth process she expected, she was met with demands for a personal tax payment. Alarm bells rang, her suspicions rose, and she decided to investigate further. Her brother stepped in, revealing the shocking truth. Ansel's photographs were not of a French wine trader, but of a German fitness influencer. The realization hit hard. She was a victim of a cryptocurrency romance scam known as pig butchering. Shreya's story serves as a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in the shadows of the crypto world. It's a world where the promise of digital fortune can often be a facade for deceit and fraud. So, as we navigate this exciting yet perilous digital landscape, let us bear in mind this cautionary tale. Stay vigilant, question the too good to be true offers, and most importantly, remember, not all that glitters in the crypto world is gold.